engineering and maths, and maybe why it's so important in terms of space.
Sure. So if you look at this wall behind us, this is a complex combination of inventions. You look at the mortar, which is a mixture of a liquid and a solid that you can pour in between these bricks that provides the foundation of this very building. Without this sort of bedrock of capability, we could never have built the building that then allows us to do all the things we do inside. And to me, when you look at science, which is basically just sort of organized curiosity, and then technology, which is the inventions that come from it that allow structure to be built, the engineering, which is the math, which makes you figure out all this stuff, and then the mathematics themselves, which are the fundamental proofs of it all, that's what allow buildings to happen. That's what allow all the structures to be around us that enable our society. We need those as the absolute structure in order to be able to have the framework that allows our economy to function, that allows our standard of living to be what it is, and also enables the institutions that allow us to think of things more in the future. So STEM is at the core of all of those things, and we need to make sure that those fundamentals are in our schools, and more importantly, are firmly implanted in the brains of the students when they leave our schools.
So what would you say to students to say, get into STEM and champion that?
I would say it much more to the adults and the teachers, and that is you need to inspire in students a sense of curiosity. Students need to have an insatiable curiosity to go from one understanding of something to the next question. Why is this brick made of this stuff, and why is the mortar made of that stuff, and why does the mortar have all the little amalgam of different pebbles in it, and could we have used some other structure here, and why do some walls need steel in them and some walls not, and why did we use brick instead of stone, or why didn't we use wood? If you answer those questions, if you're curious about the answers, then that is the very core of scientific, technological, engineering, mathematics, which then will build on itself. So I think it's the fanning of the flames of curiosity that will help students come away with a full appreciation of STEM that will carry this all on.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.